This is Officer Ray Jackson from the IRS. How may I help you today?
Hi, I was wondering if my name is in your system.
Okay. Well, what's your name, sir?
Peter Williams. I got a call from this number, so I was wondering if everything was okay.
When did you receive the call?
Earlier today while I was at work.
Sorry?
Earlier today when I was at work.
Okay. Did you receive any case file number?
Oh no, I was at work on my break, so I didn't have time to write anything down.
Okay. No problem, sir. Well, you don't have any case file number, right?
No, I don't have one. That's why I thought it was weird. The whole call was weird.
Okay. Well, in that case, can you help me your name and the number which you received the voicemail so I can pull up in my system so I can give you the information?
Yeah, I just called back the number that called, this one right here. So I don't have the guy's name. I think his name is John.
Okay. It's John, right?
Yeah, I think it could have been John or Joe. It sounded like it was a J. I was in the middle of working, that's why it's a bad call for me.
Okay. So, do you know why did you receive call from the IRS?
No, I don't know why. That's why I was really irritated why I was getting a call, because I pay my taxes all the time.
Okay, no problem, so I will explain to you. Before I proceed anything, can you verify your first name and your last name so I can pull up in my system so I can give you the information?
Yes, my first name is Peter, my last name is Williams.
And can you verify your mailing address?
Yeah, it's 1315 10th Street, Sacramento, California. 1315 10th Street.
It's Tampa Street, right?
10, like 10.
Okay, it's 10th Street.
Yeah, Sacramento, California.
Okay, it's 10th Street.
95814. Yeah, Sacramento, California.
Okay. And your zip code?
95814.
Okay. Well, Peter, do you have a pen and paper handy with you?
I can go get one. Why, is there an issue? That's what I was wondering, what's going on.
Sorry? Just write down my name and my ID number, Peter, so I can give you the information, okay?
Okay, hold on. I got a paper right here. I gotta find a pen.
Okay.
Okay, okay, I got one.
My name is Officer Ray Jackson.
Ray?
Jackson.
Jackson? Okay.
Exactly.
Alright, and your ID number?
And my ID number, it's IRM. I is in internal, R is in revenue, M is in mother.
Okay. I got that, yeah.
And the number, it's 77842. That's my ID number.
Okay, 77842?
Exactly.
Okay. So why, is there something going on? That's why I need your information.
P2, as well as you can write down your case file number.
Okay. I didn't know I had one. What's my file number?
Your case file number is C as in Charlie, P as in Peter.
Okay.
And the number is 319462.
319462.
It's 319462.
Okay. Alright, I got that written down.
Okay. Well, Peter.
Is there an issue going on? I mean, why do I need to write all this down?
Now, Peter, listen to me, okay, so I can explain you.
Okay.
The reason behind this call is to inform you there was some legal allegation and lawsuit has been filed under your name by the IRS. Are you aware about this situation?
No, I'm not aware at all. That's why I was wondering what was going on. But there's a lawsuit under my name?
Exactly so. Now, I will just do one thing. I will just go ahead and read out two affidavits, okay? So you can know that what's happened exactly and why did you receive call from the IRS, right?
Yeah, I wanted to know why. I mean, I was really confused when I talked earlier, but I had to go to work.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm freaking out here.
Now listen. Before I proceed anything, I want to let you know the line which we are talking right now. This will be recorded and monitored by the Internal Revenue Headquarters and one of the officers from your local state. Be honest on this recorded line because these lines have been played in the courthouse to evidence of the proof, okay?
Okay, yeah, I'll be completely honest with everything.
Okay. Now, as per the documents, we conduct an audit on your tax file.
There's an audit from when I did my taxes this year?
We conduct an... Now listen, don't interrupt me, I told you.
Okay, I'm sorry. An audit, though. I'm just wondering for what year.
Peter, can you listen to me so I can explain you?
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm just freaking out. Like there's a lawsuit.
Don't interrupt me again and again, okay?
Okay.
I will give you fair chance once I'm done.
Okay. Okay, go.
Now, as per the documents, we conduct an audit on your tax file in the year of 2011 to 2016. You can write down the dates.
Okay, 2011 to 2016.
Exactly.
Okay.
And we found that there was just some miscalculation error on your tax file, which means the taxes which you filed, it doesn't match the tax records we have. Okay. And Peter, I'm not saying you are not filing your taxes because I can see in my system you are a regular taxpayer and genuine taxpayer.
Yeah, I use TurboTax or H&R Block.
Yeah, exactly. But there was a miscalculation happen on your tax file. Now you tell me, who file your taxes? You file your taxes yourself, or you have any third party to file your taxes, like your CPA, your accountant?
Well, the last few years I've done TurboTax, but earlier, maybe a couple of years before that, I did H&R Block.
Okay.
And more years prior to that, but I've been using TurboTax pretty recently.
Okay. Well, Peter, IRS has never told you can hire any third party to file your taxes, because if the third party doing... Hello?
I'm here, yeah.
Yes.
The third party what?
IRS has never told you can hire any third parties, because the third party filing your taxes and they will do mistake. So you are the responsible person because you are paying them, right? That's the reason IRS has never told to anyone to hire any third parties.
Well, that's
now,
why you
according to the...
I'm sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I was going to say, I use TurboTax because they file it, and there hasn't been an issue for the longest, for a while. This is the first time I'm hearing anything.
Okay. Now, according to the Section 101, there was an outstanding amount which owed to the IRS. It's $3,910 and 95 cents, which is including your pending taxes, your legal charges, and your late fee. Now, I want to ask on this recorded line, did you do this intentionally to defraud the IRS, or it was honest mistake from your side?
No, completely honest mistake. I used TurboTax and I never thought there was an issue.
Okay.
I thought the W-2 forms, to key on the site.
Now listen. If IRS give a chance to rectify the situation, are you able to rectify the situation, or do you want to fight this case inside the courthouse against the IRS?
I could rectify it, by fighting it in the courthouse.
Sorry?
I could rectify it by fighting it in the courthouse, because I don't think there's a mistake. I don't know which year, I got all my old W-2s in the filing cabinet over here.
Yes, I'm not saying, Peter, you are not filing your taxes. You are filing your taxes each and every year. But the way you are filing your taxes, there was just some miscalculation error. That's the reason you received a voicemail from the Internal Revenue. And you are the honest person. That's the reason I was given a chance to rectify the situation by paying a bad tax. Now you tell me, do you want to rectify the situation, or do you want to fight this case?
I mean, what's the difference between the two?
Sorry?
What's the difference?
Are you mad?
No, I mean, I want to rectify it, but why would I need to go to the courthouse?
So, what do you mean how to rectify? If you want to rectify, I will tell you how to rectify this situation by outside the courthouse by paying a bad taxes.
Well, I just don't know what year and why I owe, but if you can give me the year, then I could help
now, Peter,
rectify.
I told you, Peter. I'm talking about is 2011 till 2016. I'm talking about last 5 years.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I didn't know which one of those years that is the miscalculation.
No, I'm not talking about only 1 year. I'm talking about last 5 years. Last 5 years there was some miscalculation errors.
Every year?
Exactly. That's the reason I'm asking you, did you do this intentionally or it was by mistake?
By mistake?
Now you tell me, do you want to rectify this situation? Or do you want to fight this case inside the courthouse against the IRS? Once you lose inside the courthouse your case, you will penalize for $75,000. In 5 years imprisonment also. That's the reason IRS gave you to rectify the situation outside the courthouse, because you are the innocent person and regular taxpayer.
Yeah, I'd rather rectify this than have to go to the courthouse.
Okay. So do you have this amount is $3,910 to rectify this situation?
A Visa? Yeah, I have a Visa card.
I'm not asking your card details, your bank accounts. I'm asking to you, do you have this much amount to rectify this situation?
Yeah, I have a Visa, but I don't know if you take Visa or Master.
Now listen.
You said Visa?
You want to pay by... Are you mad?
No, you said Visa.
I'm saying
a Visa card to pay the amount.